gave me the Archimedes principle. When an object is immersed in water, it experiences an upward force which is equal to the weight of the water displaced. And that's buoyancy. And that's how I figured out whether the king's crown was pure gold or just mixed metal.
And now, the man who made communication faster than gossip, the inventor who turned sound into history, Alexander Graham Bell.
This sound, this vibration, this is how it all started. I studied sound waves to help the deaf, especially my mother, who couldn't hear, covered the telephone. And no, I didn't invent the smartphone, so please, don't blame me for your screen addiction.
So this tiny fork made it invent the telephone.
Not just this, when a sound vibrates, it how water creates ripples. So I wondered, what if these sound vibrations could be converted into electrical pulses and then get recreated somewhere far away? And with that, I discovered the telephone.
We basically trapped the sound and made it travel miles.
Exactly. My first instrument converted these sound vibrations into electrical pulses. These electrical pulses were made to travel through wires, and then they were recreated back into sound by another device, and thus making a sound wave road trip.
That's brilliant. Meanwhile, I discovered volume displacement in my bath. When the crown displaced more water than pure gold should, I realized it was mixed with silver. Boom! Fraud detected.
So you invented physics and detective work.
Exactly. Physics plus investigation is equals to me. And buoyancy isn't just about floating. It explains why ships stay afloat, why submarines rise and sink, and why someone with more body fat floats easier.
On the other hand, sound waves tells us how we communicate, why echoes exist, how we hear music, and how sonars work underwater.
Speaking of water, sound travels faster in water than air, almost 4 times faster.
Exactly, because the water molecules are much closer than the air molecules, which make the vibrations travel much quicker. You know, Archimedes, we could have made a great research team together.
Oh yes. You handle floating, I will handle sound.
Together we could have invented a floating telephone. But on a serious note though, science isn't just magic, it's curiosity.
Yes, a question as simple as, why does this float can change the world?
And a question like, can sound travel further? Can connect nations?
So to all the future scientists here, never underestimate your questions.
They're all small sparks that can light up the entire world.
Thank you.
Stay connected like us, and stay connected like that.